Guys, side hustles are more popular than ever, mostly because people want extra income that actually fits into their real lives. And with the cost of living going up, more people are looking for ways to work smarter, not necessarily harder. And that's where tools like ChatGPT come in. Now, a lot of people assume that you need technical skills to make money online, but that's not really true anymore. ChatGPT has opened the door for beginners to earn extra income by helping them do everyday tasks faster and more efficiently. Whether it's tutoring, virtual assistant, content creation, or social media managing, this tool makes things that used to feel intimidating actually much more accessible. Many people already use ChatGPT for work or entertainment, but fewer realize how practical it can be with an income booster. When you actually tap into its capabilities the right way, you're not replacing skills, you're just amplifying them. That's what makes it such a powerful option for side hustles today. But before I dive into this video, in case you're new around here, my name is Nima and welcome to the channel. I'm a corporate executive with over 15 years of experience in both sales and finance. My videos break down complex financial concepts to help you on your financial journey, whether you're just starting out or if you're already a seasoned pro. So guys, let's jump into today's topic, which is the 10 simple ways to earn money using ChatGPT without any tech skills. So guys, let's jump right in. The first item on my list is tutoring. Tutoring is one of the easiest places to start, especially if you're already good at a subject like math, writing, or English. ChatGPT can help you quickly generate practice questions, quizzes, or study guides tailored to a student's grade level or learning goals. That means that you spend less time preparing and more time actually helping the students. That said, it's important to double check that anything ChatGPT produces is actually correct, because sometimes AI tools can occasionally give incorrect or outdated information. But with that being said, tutors typically set their own rates anywhere from about $10 an hour to well over $100, depending on experience, subject matter, and the platform that they use. Now, the second item on my list is the popular option of working as a virtual assistant. Guys, VAs often support small business owners, entrepreneurs, or freelancers with tasks like email management, scheduling, social media, or customer support. ChatGPT can help draft emails, create social media captions, organize calendars, and even help you respond to common customer questions. This allows you to offer more services without needing advanced technical skills. Virtual assistant roles are often remote and flexible, and according to Indeed, the average hourly pay is around $26 per hour. Now, the next item on my list is travel planning. Travel planning is another area where ChatGPT can save massive amounts of time. Travel agents help clients plan trips, find deals, and build itineraries, and then ChatGPT can assist by suggesting designations, creating day-by-day schedules, and writing personalized travel guides. It can also help with packing lists and frequently asked questions, which makes your service feel more professional. Travel agents usually earn through commissions or service fees, and as a side hustle, this can range from a few hundred to several $1,000s per month, depending on your effort and clientele. Now, the fourth item on my list is content writing. Guys, content writing and editing is another common way that people use ChatGPT to make money. Many freelancers use it to brainstorm ideas, draft outlines, or clean up existing content. Fiverr's data shows that a large number of freelancers already use AI tools as part of their workflow. However, it's important to know that some companies restrict AI-generated content, so you'll always want to check client policies first. But that said, also, content created entirely by AI isn't protected by copyright unless you add meaningful human creativity. So, ChatGPT should support your work, not necessarily replace it. But guys, before I jump into the fifth strategy that I have on my list to make money online with ChatGPT without any tech skills, if you're gaining value from this video, I'd really appreciate it if you could smash that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. Your support helps this channel grow, so please show some love by smashing that like button, commenting down below, and subscribing. Alright, now let's go ahead and jump into number 5. Guys, the fifth tip I have on my list is resume and cover letter writing. Resume and cover letter writing is another strong opportunity. ChatGPT can analyze job descriptions and help highlight relevant skills in a way that appeals to hiring managers and applicant tracking systems. It can help structure resumes, write summaries, and draft cover letters pretty efficiently. efficiently. That said, career experts warn against relying on AI alone because fully AI-generated resumes often sound generic, but the best results come when you use ChatGPT as a drafting tool and then personalize that content with real achievements and language from yourself. Now, the sixth item I have on my list is handling social media management. Guys, social media management is also a great fit for ChatGPT. Many businesses struggle to stay consistent online, and ChatGPT can help you brainstorm post ideas, write captions, and suggest hashtags that align with the brand's voice. It can also help you organize content calendars so you're not scrambling day to day just to figure out what to post. This makes it easier to offer reliable, ongoing services to clients. Alright, now number 7 on my list is translation service. If you're fluent in more than one language, translation services can be another option. ChatGPT can help speed up translations, but it's important that you actually understand both languages well enough to review and correct the output. AI translations can miss nuance, tone, or cultural context, so human oversight is critical here. But as long as you actually look through the material, use ChatGPT effectively to help you, you should have no issue there. Now, number 8 on my list is creating digital products. That's another increasingly popular income stream. Many people sell printable planners, budget trackers, or even step-by-step guides on platforms like Etsy. According to Capital One Shopping, about 38% of Etsy sellers started their shops specifically to supplement their income. ChatGPT can help you draft content and organize ideas quickly, allowing you to build digital products that can generate passive income over time. Now, number 9 on my list is providing online courses and workshops. That's another way that ChatGPT can help support your income generation. You can use it to help outline your lessons, write course materials, or create workbooks. Platforms like Teachable and Thinkific handle hosting and payments, which makes it easier to reach your audience. You can also experiment with tiered pricing, bundles, or subscriptions to increase your earnings. And guys, finally, the 10th item on my list is starting a YouTube channel. A YouTube channel is a long-term powerful option. ChatGPT can help generate video ideas, write titles, and draft descriptions that improve discoverability. To monetize through YouTube Partner Program, you'll need about 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past year, or 10 million short views in the last 90 days. Once approved though, creators can earn through ads, memberships, and other monetization tools. One important reminder before wrapping up, while ChatGPT makes content creation easier, transparency and ethics still matter. Always review your work, avoid plagiarism, and be honest with the clients about how AI fits into your process. People usually value originality and trust more than shortcuts. At the end of the day, guys, ChatGPT isn't a magic money machine, but it's a powerful tool that you can use. When used creatively and consistently, it can help you save time, improve quality, and turn simple skills into real earning opportunities. I want to thank you guys for watching this video all the way through. If you found this information helpful, please go ahead and smash that like button, write a comment down below, and subscribe. I make videos like this every single week, and I appreciate you watching. Stay tuned for the next video.